there's just so many. It's like the little wins, isn't it? With fostering. I think with us, the turning point for us is when we know the psychologist, Richard Downs. We had one-on-one sessions for him for a few months, and because our little one was having troubles with meltdowns and like controlling big emotions, he taught us how to therapeutic parent, and it completely flipped. Like the way we parented our own children was completely different to the way we parent our little boy, and instantly you could see the difference in how he reacted and stuff like that. So that was like a big thing for us. But then it's the little wins, like when he first came to us he couldn't speak, so like when he was able to talk to us and ask for something, or he's recently done 3 meters in swimming. It's like stuff like that, like the little things. When he comes out of school and he's like, Clare, and he's like, it's just the little things like that you can see making that difference.
It is the little things, and they keep you going, don't they? Because it's not easy, but we get that like with child we got now. It's hard for her to share anything at all or ask us for anything, because it's a trust issue, not being able to trust adults. And so she actually discussed her GCSE options with us, which I know it sounds, my daughter would do that without thinking about it, but it was really good because then we had a proper discussion and she slightly changed what she was doing and actually listened to us. And so it's little things like that, and like you said, and it's just seeing them become happier, isn't it? And more
enjoying life.
More fulfilled as a child, to do all the lovely things they want to do, and opportunities like getting into dance. I know your kids do a lot, but she got into dance, she got into hip hop, street dance and all those things which she wouldn't have done before.
It's the things that we take for granted though for our children, and we've had for ourselves. But like with our boy that we've got, just seeing him light up half time on the rugby pitch, run up to my husband, how am I doing, get the advice. That's things that we all take for granted, but it's just things that they haven't had in their life, isn't it?